Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to your cart on Alibaba. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with the sign in button by using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end back into the homepage from which you can search for various different products that you can buy. Now, when you come across items that you are interested in, you will see the add to cart button and you will also see the start order or buy now button. If you click on a buy now or start order, then this will continue the purchase of the singular item only. So you can click on the add to cart button, which will add this item to your cart. After finalizing all of the product details, you can once again click on add to cart and now this will be added onto your cart right away. You can add multiple products to your cart by simply clicking on the add to cart button. Once you have enough products that you would like to pay for, you can click on the cart button at the top right corner and this will take you into your active cart. You will be able to check the various items that you have added within your cart, and after selecting all of them by using the checkbox, you can click on the checkout button to proceed forward with your payment information. And once you make your payment, your items will be delivered to you with the chosen delivery method that you have selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add items to your cart on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.